Hello guys, welcome to Code with Maddie. We start our new problem solving series in Java. In the series, we start from scratch itself. In this series, I use Eclipse as my IDE. You can use any IDE. In this video, we are going to rotate an array in Java. First of all, we need to create a class. So right click on the practice problem, then new, then you go to a class. The name option, you need to declare your class name. Here I give rotate array and I give the public static void main string and give the finish option. Now rotate.java file is created. How to rotate an array in Java? Given an array of size n and m be the index, the task is to rotate the array by m index. We have two flexibilities, either to rotate them to left or right. First, we create an array. We initialize the array as an integer int arr of array equal to new int of n. Here we didn't give any value for n, so first we give the value for n. N is the size of an integer, so it is also an int. Int n equal to 5. Here we get input from the user, so we need to import the scanner class to get the input from the user. So here we write import java.util.scanner. Scanner class is used to get the input from the user, so we here declare the scanner class scanner. We declare scanner as sc. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. After declaring the scanner class, we using for loop to get the input from the user to initialize the value of an array. Or int I equal to 0, we initialize I as 0, I less than n. N is the size of an array, and I plus plus increment operation. Here arr of I equal to sc dot next int. This is the way to get input from the user. Now our array get initialized values. Then we initialize an index value m. The data type of index value m is integer. We declare it as first int m equal to, we give index value as 3. As of all, we know the array index start with 0. For example, the array is 1 2 3 4 5, means the array index start from 0, that is a of 0 is 1, then it continues, a of 1 is 2, a of 2 is 3. Now we are going to create a method called rotate array. Inside this method, we pass array as argument and rotate it. We create the method name as rotate array. Here we need to pass our arguments. First of all, we call our array method inside the rotate array class. Here we call our rotate array. In this rotate array method, we pass the arguments as ARR, N and M. We declare the arguments with the data type in the rotate array method here. Int array of ARR, int N, int M. M is the index value. Inside this rotate array method, we pass array as the argument and rotate it inside this array. First, we create an temporary array int temp equal to new int of m, because m is the index value. So our size of the temporary array is index value. Copy the first m elements to the temporary array. For using for loop here, for int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. Temp of I equal to ARR of I. Here we copy the first m elements to the temporary array. Then we shifting the remaining elements to the left of the array. For that we declare an for loop for int I equal to 0. Sorry, for I equal to m, I less than n, I plus plus. Here we declare ARR of I minus m equal to ARR of I. This for loop is used to shift the remaining elements to left. Shift the remaining elements to left. After that, we need to copy the temporary array elements to the end of the array. For again, we create another one for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. Here we use array of n minus m plus I equal to temp of I. Now we shifting all elements to the left. Now I am going to explain these three for loops again. First of all, the first for loop, we copy the first m elements, index element, to the temporary array. Here we store ARR of 0 to ARR of 2 in the temporary array. The values are 1, 2 and 3. After the temporary array, the second for loop, we shifting the remaining element to the left. After storing the elements in the temporary array, the remaining element present are 4 and 5, ARR of 3 and 4. We need to left shift the element to ARR of 0 and ARR of 1. Finally, we copy the temporary array elements to the end of the array. Now we are going to print the rotated array in main method. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Inside the for loop, system dot out dot println. Inside the print statement, we give ARR of I plus some space. Now our program is complete. We need to compile and run our program. Click the run and run as Java application. Okay, now we are going to declare our array in the terminal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now our array is rotated with the index element m. This is the simple array rotation method using index. For more videos, follow and subscribe Code with Maddie.